Good afternoon, I am Yi Zhen with metric number 298822. Today I'm going to talk about the ways to find the least square estimation of regression parameters in matrix approach by using Excel. So first of all, this is the data set provided where the independent variable is H, X, and the dependent variable is pressure, Y. Okay, so the very first step is we need to form matrices. Step 1 will be we need to form or we need to construct matrix X. Okay, so the X will be the value that is come from here. Okay, so just simply copy it and we're going to paste here. So I would like to remove the border. Okay, and here will be 1. Just drag it down. So our matrix X will be this one. So our matrix X will be a 6 by 2 matrices. Matrix, which is 6 rows with 2 columns. Okay, so this is simply our matrix X. Okay, so the next step will be we need to form the matrix Y. Okay, we need to construct and we need to form a matrix Y. Okay, so here is Y. Okay, so just copy the value from the table and we can directly paste it. Okay, I want to remove the background, so I'm going to highlight it to show that this is a matrix. Okay, whether for this one it will be a 6 by 1 matrix, which is a matrix with 6 rows and 1 column. Okay, the next step. Step 3. We need to operate or we need to construct and the X transpose, matrix X transpose. Okay, so how to do it? First of all, we will represent it with the X prime, and after that, so X prime definitely will come from the matrix X. So what can we do is we can use the function by typing transpose. Okay, see here transpose. So double click on it and you just highlight the array of your matrix X. Okay, and just simply enter. Okay, so this is your X transpose. As usual, I will highlight it. So this one will be a 2 by 6 matrix with 2 rows and 6 columns. 2 by 6. Okay. Instead of directly typing the function equals transpose here, you can also use another way, which is copy this one. Okay, click copy. And when you paste here, you just choose the transpose. So you will notice that you will get the same answer by using the function transpose. Okay, so I'm going to take note here. So you can use the function equals transpose. Okay. Going to bold it and large, also red color. Okay, so another step is you can copy matrix A and paste transpose. Okay, so there are 2 ways to construct a matrix X transpose. Alright, so we'll be going to move to the step 4. The step 4 will be we need to operate x prime times x, which is we need to do multiplication for our matrix X and the matrix X transpose. Okay, so how do we do it? I encourage anyone to write down the x prime first, because when you are using the Excel, okay, I will show you. Okay, when you're using the function okay, multiplication. From here you can see that if I will show you, okay, if right now I'm writing the x and x prime after that, maybe if in the equation when you are wrongly put the arrangement, or we say the sequence of placing the data, you'll find that you are having this kind of result, which is inaccurate. Okay, it's not only inaccurate, it's totally wrong. Therefore, when you are writing your x prime first, it's just like a reminder. So when you are using the okay, select the x transpose first, and then comma. Okay, now copy your matrix X, place enter. So this is the answer that you will get. Okay, so this is your multiplication of matrix X and matrix X transpose. Okay, so I'll take note here. Use the function MULT. Okay, same as before, I will highlight this one. Okay, so now you notice that this become a 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix. Okay, so now we'll be moving to step 5, which is we need to operate the inverse. The inverse of x prime x. Okay, I'm going to copy this. Then inverse. The inverse. So we're using the symbol here. -1. Oops, I missed it. -1. Okay, so we want to find the inverse of the multiplication we did just now. Alright, so we're going to use another function, which is equals mean. Choose this one, mean verse. Okay, which is we want to return the inverse matrix for the matrix stored in an array. Double click on it. Okay, and now select this one that we have done just now. Simply click enter, and you will get. Good job, my mistake. Oh yeah, I'm right. So you will get a 2 by 2 matrix as well. And then the next step, the step 6 will be we need to operate X transpose with matrix Y. Okay, so X transpose with Y. X transpose with Y. So I forget to highlight this one. Okay, so now we will be using the function of, again, using this one. Wait, hold on, I forgot to write it down. This one is mean inverse. Mean inverse. Okay. This one again, we will be using the same one, which is function mmult. Types equals and you will see this option. Okay, again, choose the transpose X first, and then comma. Then you will select your matrix Y. Okay, enter. So you will get this result, which is the 2 by 1 matrix with 2 rows and 1 column. Okay, same as usual, I will highlight it. Now we are moving to step 7. Okay, step 7 will be, we need to calculate our B naught and B1. So our equation B is equals to this one, the inverse of multiplication of X transpose and X, times with, multiply with X prime matrix X transpose and matrix Y. Okay, so this is what are we going to do now. Okay, so here, okay, again, we're going to use this function mmult. So type equals select mmult, and select your multiplication of this one, and then comma, select this one. So place enter. So you will get this value. So this one is B naught, and this one will be the B1. Okay, B1. So now I'm going to okay, so the B naught actually is the intercept. Okay, wait, hold on. So from here you can find out that you will get the result of, again, 2 by 1 matrix. Okay, so what is actually the B naught and B1? So the B naught is actually the intercept. Beside of using this function, the mmult, you can also calculate your B naught by using the function of intercept. Okay, so the intercept is the value from here. You need to choose the non-YS and the non-XS, which is your original data set. So from the table, select your Y value first, your dependent value, and then comma, and then select your dependent value, your independent value X. Okay, so enter. So can you observe that you will get the same answer? Okay, what about the B1? So the B1 is actually the slope. Again, slope will be using the function slope. Okay, same as the intercept, we will be using the value from the original table. So this is Y, and then the X value. Again, place enter, and you will observe that you get almost the same answer by using the function equals mmult. Okay, so here is by using the function equals intercept. This one is using the function of slope. Okay, so we can observe that we get the B naught and B1 value. Therefore, the last step will be forming the equation. Form equation. So right now we can form the equation. Y hat, okay, y hat will, sorry, my mistake, y hat will equals to the B naught plus B1, okay, B naught plus B1 times with x. Okay, this is the general equation to find the regression. Therefore, we can just insert the value. The B naught will be this one, 81.0481. I'll be taking 4 decimal place, 81, plus the B1 value is from here, 0.9644x. Okay, so this is the last step of forming the equation. Okay, so how do we double check whether the answer of B naught and B1 is correct or not? Okay, so go to data. Okay, click data analysis here. By clicking it, okay, you will see there are several tools. So we will be going to select the regression. Okay, now input Y rate. So this is your Y value and this is your X value. Okay, so I'm going to output the range here. How do I? Hold on. I'll put here. And then I will click OK. Okay, so you see here the intercept at T1 point. Should highlight it. At 1.048, you will get the same answer. So that means that the step is correct. Okay. So again, we're going to recall back what is the step. There will be X steps to find the value of B naught and B1. The first step, construct your matrix X from the original table. And the next step, step 2, will be construct your matrix Y. And then we can construct our matrix X transpose by using the function transpose and select the matrix X here. Okay, and there will be your step 3. Next, our step 4 will be where we're finding the multiplication of X prime and X. Okay, so by using the function MMULT, select the matrix of X transpose first, followed by the matrix X. So you will get the answer, and then the step 5 will be the inverse of the multiplication you did just now. Okay, by n, you will be using the function minverse, MINVRSE, and just copy this one. Okay, and step 6 will be X prime Y, the multiplication of the matrix Y with the transpose X. Okay, so you will be using the function as in the step 4, which is the function equals MMULT. Okay, as usual, select the transpose matrix first before you select the matrix Y. Okay, the step 7 will be, again, you will be using the same functions, which is MMULT. Select this one first, continue with this one. Okay, so at the end, you will get only 2 arrows, which is the 2 by 1 matrices. And the first one will be the B naught, which is to represent the intercept. And the second one is the B1, which represents the slope. Okay, and finally, the last step, form the equation by substitute the value you obtaining here. And again, you can double check by using the tools from data analysis. And that's all. So have a practice and you'll notice that it is not that difficult. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.